Alright, so the first thing I'm noticing about this thing, it's got a glossy black finish. You know, black, gray, whatever you want to call it. What else comes in the box? I put a cheap 64 gigabyte no-name SD card or micro SD card. I never use these because they're, cheap. This is sort of bicycle mount or something. Yeah, a handlebar mount. So you can screw it into the quarter 20 mount on the camera and use it to do that if you so desire. And this is the USB Type-C cord cable for data transfer and charging. And this is the instruction manual. Oh, this is the side that's in English. Oh, there it is. All right, so you can pause the video and look at anything. Look at anything if you're interested. Alright, so you got a rotatable lens. Another thing that annoys me, all the buttons on the side. I know they can't help it because of the design of it, but the buttons on the side, it means you could actually, as you're handling it, you could accidentally press the infrared button or any of these other buttons, and put it into a mode that you didn't originally intend to put it in. You could be handling it and putting it in your pocket or something and accidentally hit the infrared button, and now it's in infrared mode. So if you're filming during the day, you're filming unbeknownst to you because you inadvertently hit the button. You're filming now in infrared mode. So, just be mindful of that. Just be careful when you're handling it by the sides, which is the way you're usually going to be handling it. Just make sure you don't hit any of the buttons by accident. Anyway, that's the infrared button. This is the, this is the invert the image button. So if you want to invert the image upside down, depending on the orientation of the lens, how you can have it. What's this one? Oh, these are menu navigation buttons, up and down, and also playback. This is the power button. Okay. Turns it back on. All right. This one here is the start, video record button, stop record button, and sliding it down puts it back into standby mode. In order to instantly start recording something, just make sure it's off, and put it up into video mode, and just turn it back on. And since it's already in video mode, it'll instantly start recording like that. So there you go. There's your instant recording function there if you want to use it. Over here is your looks like a back button, return button. That's the menu button. Long pressing that, you access the menu, and this is the, if it's already on, which it is, stop start audio record button. So if you want to use it for that, you can. What else? Oh, this is the micro SD card. I just use my own. This is the clip. Got some sort of magnet. It's magnetic, so you can stick it onto stuff. This is the quarter 20 mount, so you can stick it onto a tripod. And this is the rotatable lens right here. 180 degree rotatable lens. It's not waterproof. There's no image stabilization. As per, this thing's like, I don't know, how much was it? 60, 70 bucks or something like that on Amazon. Cheap, made in China, as expected. There's the microphone right there, and there's the speakers, I believe. There's the, screen. It shows the display, all that crap. If you want to play back stuff, there's the reset button. So if it starts freezing up or acting up on you, you could stick like a, something small in there, like a paper clip or something like that, and reset it. Let me go over the menu real fast. So hitting long pressing that brings you into your menu. So this is the up and down menu navigation buttons. Oh, this is and the power button is it's a select button after you navigate up and down with it. So going back into the menu. Okay, so video resolution. You can choose which one. All right, so 1080p, 2K, and 4K. I'm guessing that perhaps 2K and 4K might be fake 2K and 4K. I'm not sure what kind of processor this uses, but these manufacturers do this a lot. They claim it as 4K or 2K or 5K or whatever the hell they claim it to be, but it's, it's fake. It's interpolated footage. The image is, upscaled as a marketing thing to get you to buy the thing, even though it's not real 4K or 2K. Just be mindful of that. A lot of these manufacturers a lot of them are full of crap, and they, you know, they do this just so you buy the product, but it's not really 2K or 4K. You know, it's fake. So just be mindful of that. I'm not necessarily saying this one is, but I'm not sure. But we'll check the footage, and I'll leave of course, you know, at the end of this video, post some footage, and you can be the judge. You know. All right, so getting out of this, you know, I have it in the quote-unquote 2K setting. Photo resolution, you can go over that. Those are the different options. Set the date and time, date stamp, yes or no. Loop recording, I think it's you get different options for that. You can go through these different things. Set the exposure value, record audio, format the memory card, the language, self-explanatory. How long you want before you want it to auto power off to save the battery. Set that for 3 minutes. How long you want the LCD to stay on before you want it to turn off. You know, again, to save the battery. 30 seconds, it's fine. You can turn the beep sound on or off. Version of software it uses. And there's the reset. You know, so you can reset it if it starts screwing up, and it goes back to video resolution. So, how do you get out of this? Oh, you hit the to get out of the menu, you hit the return button. And brings you back into standby mode. So there you go. It shows all the different things, the loop recording, the things on the screen, just like every other camera that I've shown you. It's pretty self-explanatory. I just don't like you know, I know they can't help it, but the buttons on the side thing, just make sure when you're handling it, make sure not to accidentally hit any of them, and, you know, you might screw up the settings. Gloss, you know, shiny, glossy black finish. I wish it was matte black. They make it look, you know, nice and shiny, but I prefer if it was more of a dull black finish, not the shininess. You know, it's a fingerprint magnet. Oh, there's the infrared lights. Well, this is the USB Type-C. All right, playback. So turning it on. So if you want to play back your files, okay. So pressing it once puts it into camera mode. The menu button. Pressing it once puts it into camera mode, and then pressing it twice puts it into video mode. To play back your files, you short press the menu button. So it goes, you know, there you go. So that's that. There's the video, and then you hit the up and down to navigate through the different files. And then you hit the power button, you know, to select, to play back each individual file. Long pressing the down key. This says brings up your Wi-Fi. Okay, so you gotta download an app. You have to download an app, which I'm not gonna do, since I don't trust these things. Honestly, I just don't. I just use it as a regular camera. You could download the app if you want. I'm not going to, because I don't know what the hell these things put on my phone or whatever. I'm just kind of paranoid. I had problems before with one of these, and just, you know, just be mindful of that. Just be careful. The things you're downloading and QR codes and all that kind of stuff. Could be spyware, who knows. I don't like downloading random shit on my phone that I'm not sure about, because I have, like, you know, sensitive information on there, which I don't want anyone getting access to, as, you know, a lot of you do too. But just be mindful of that, you know. There's, you know, that's how you access your Wi-Fi. You long press the down button over here. And be careful out there. All right, thanks for watching. Oh, yeah, I gotta do the rattle test. Hold on. I can hear some rattling. Hang on. It's not terrible. When I walk around with this thing, we'll see. It's over there. Let's go. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Have a good night.
Have a good night. 전화할게.